delegations from across the world, representatives of diplomatic missions accredited to Kenya, religious leaders and representatives of the private sector, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. What a beautiful day that the Lord has made. Let me begin by thanking Almighty God for the gift of life and the gift of this new day, and for bringing us together once again under the canopy of His grace. From the outset, allow me to appreciate you, Your Excellency, President William Ruto, and the First Lady Mama Rachel Ruto, for creating time to attend this annual event that occupies a special and honored place in the calendar of the Parliament of Kenya. It is also my singular honor to warmly welcome all our foreign guests who have traveled from different parts of the world to join us for this year's National Prayer Breakfast. Your presence demonstrates the enduring bonds of friendship among our nations and affirms our shared belief that leadership anchored in faith, integrity, and reconciliation remains essential to the stability of our democratic societies. On behalf of the Parliament of Kenya and Kenyans at large, we say Karibuni Sana. I take this opportunity to commend the leadership of Parliament of Kenya, the organizing committee led by the Honorable Samuel Chepkonga, MP, and Honorable Daniel Manzo, MP, the National Prayer Breakfast Secretariat, the Technical Working Committee, and all partners for sustaining this sacred and bipartisan space where leaders and citizens alike come together in humility before God and country. I also laud the same team for successfully convening the two key events that preceded this engagement today, namely the Women Convocation and the National Conversation that were held yesterday and presided over by Her Excellency the First Lady Mama Rachel Ruto and my brother, the Right Honorable Moses Wetangula, Speaker of the National Assembly, respectively. The two sessions provided a platform for robust deliberations that yielded profound insights and resolutions which have not only broadened our outlook on matters affecting our country, but also informed the petitions, prayers, and supplications that we bring before God this morning. Your Excellency, allow me to, at this juncture, and on behalf of the Parliament of Kenya, to heartily congratulate you for your globally acclaimed address to the Parliament of United Republic of Tanzania in Dodoma on the 5th of May, 2026, the second such undertaking by a sitting President of the Republic of Kenya. That moment symbolized the strength of regional brotherhood and reaffirmed our commitment to the East African unity, dialogue, and mutual respect. On the same note, please accept, Your Excellency, our collective commendation to you being conferred the Order of Dostik, First Degree, also known as the Order of Friendship, by His Excellency President Kasim Jomart Tokayev of Kazakhstan on May 20th, 2026. This distinguished honor, one of Kazakhstan's highest national decorations, awarded for outstanding peace-building efforts, promotion of diplomatic cooperation, and mutual understanding, is not only a personal achievement, but a source for immense pride for our nation. It affirms Kenya's growing stature in the community of nations and reflects your continued commitment to international cooperation and peaceful engagement. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, this year's National Prayer Breakfast carries special significance. It is the fourth National Prayer Breakfast under the 13th Parliament. 4 years ago, we gathered here, filled with optimism, conviction, and renewed resolve to place God at the center of our national journey. Each year since then, we have reflected on the state of our nation, renewed our commitments, and prayed for wisdom to guide our leadership. Today, with divine clarity The scriptures remind us, and I quote, 1 Corinthians 13:13.